Good morning, children. I am Saligram Misra, teacher, Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. This video is of class 5 maths, exercise 5.7. First question, you see, multiply the following. Question is 5 by 13 into 16 by 5 by 13 into 26 by 14. So when you multiply the fractions, you will multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, and you will divide numerator with denominator or denominator with numerator. So here you see 5 by 13 into 26 by 14. You can multiply 5 into 26 and 13 into 14. Then you will write the answer, and after that you will divide and write the answer in the simplest form. Other way, like we have done in this video, we will divide here 5 by 13 into 26 by 14, like 13 and 20, 13 is in denominator place and 26 in numerator place. And you know 13 and 26 has common factor, so you can divide 13 and 26. So HCF of 13 and 26 is 13, so we will divide 13 1 ja 13 and 13 2 ja 26. Now you see 5 into 2 by 1 into 14. Now you see 2 in the numerator and 14 in the denominator, and both have common factor 2. So you can divide these by 2. So you 2 1 ja 2, you will write, cut 2 and write 1 here, and 2 7 ja 14, cut 14 and write 7 here. Now you see in numerator part 5 is remaining in this and 1 is remaining in this. Now you will multiply numerator parts. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Now you will multiply the denominator parts. Here 1 and here 7 is remaining. So 1 into 7 is equal to 7. So finally the answer you will write 5 by 7. Another question you see 40 whole 6 by 7 into 3 whole 19 by 22. These are mixed fractions. So first of all you convert these fractions into improper fractions. 40 whole 6 by 7 is converted into 286 by 7 into 3 whole 19 by 22 is converted into 85 by 22. Now what will we do? First of all we will divide numerator with denominator here, and after that we will multiply. So you know 286 and 22. 22 and 286 both are even numbers. So even number always divided by 2. So you can write 2 11 ja 22. 11 you will write here, and you will divide this also. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, and 2 3 ja 6. 143. Now you can compare 143 and 11. Both can be divided by 11. So you will divide here. 11 1 ja 11 and 11 13 ja 143. 11 1 ja 11, 11 3 ja 33. Now no number can be divided. Here 13 into 85. So 13 into 85 we have got 1105, and by 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Now this is in improper fraction, but answer should be in either mixed fraction, simplest form. So simplest form, here numerator is more than the denominator, so you will convert this into simplest form. How? You will convert this into mixed fraction. So 1105 by 7 is converted into 157 by whole 6 by 7. So here answer is this. Now second question also same. Find the product. 35 into 6 whole 1 by 14. 35 is whole number. You can convert into a fraction like 35 by 1. Any whole number you can convert into fractions by dividing 1. So 35 by 1 into, now this 6 whole 1 by 14 you convert into improper fraction. So this become 85 by 14. Now you see here 35 and 14. 35 is in numerator and 14 is in denominator. 7 is common factor in this. So you will divide these by 7. 7 to the 14. 14 you will cut, and at the place of 14 you will write 2. 7 to the 14. 7 5 is 35. You will write here like this. Now no number can be divided. So you will multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator and write the answer. So 5 into 85 is equal to 425. By 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Now you convert this into mixed fraction and then write the answer. 212 whole 1 by 2 is the answer. One more question you see of this part 2C. 10 whole 1 by 2 into 2 whole 3 by 7 into 1 whole 1 by 4. First of all, you convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 10 whole 1 by 2 become 21 by 2. 2 whole 3 by 7 become 17 by 7. And 1 whole 1 by 4 become 5 by 4. Now you check that any number in numerator and denominator are cancelled by each other or not. So we see that 21 and 7 is cancelled by 7. So 7 1 is 7 and 7 3 is 21. Now in numerator part you see 3, 17 and 5, and denominator parts 2, 1 and 4. Now no number can be divided from numerator and denominator. So you will multiply the numerator and you will multiply the denominator and write the answer. So after multiplying 3 into 17 into 5, we have got 17 3 ja. Oh, this is not correct. We will write the answer here. 17 3 ja 51, and 51 into 5, 255 by 2 4 ja 8. Now you convert this into mixed fraction. 8 3 ja 24, 1 5, 8 1 ja 8, 31 whole 7 by 8, and this is the answer. So in this way you will do other questions also. Thank you.